Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at why BLDC, or brushless DC fans, are considered smarter and more efficient than regular induction fans. We'll explore their technology, the smart features they bring, and how they save energy in real-life situations. Introduction. Traditional fans use induction motors, but BLDC fans are different. Their motors are electronically controlled, which means manufacturers can add smart features to improve performance and efficiency. One such feature is automatic step-down speed control, which makes a huge difference in saving power. How the feature works. Here is how it works. When you switch on a BLDC fan, it starts at your selected speed, say speed 5. After some preset time, or if the fan is in auto mode, it gradually reduces speed step by step. Eventually, it settles at the lowest speed, speed 1, where it continues running. This shift happens automatically, without you having to do anything. Why it saves energy? This feature saves energy in several ways. At full speed, a BLDC fan consumes about 28 to 35 watts, but at its lowest speed it may use only 6 to 10 watts. Since many people forget to lower the speed at night or when the room is already cool, this automatic adjustment prevents wasted electricity. Not only that, but a lower airflow at night often feels more comfortable and prevents excessive chill. Example scenario. Let's take an example. Suppose you switch on the fan at speed 5 when you go to bed. The fan stays at that speed for about 1 to 2 hours. Then it starts stepping down slowly until it reaches speed 1. If the fan is left running all night, this process can save as much as 40 to 50% of electricity compared to keeping it at high speed the whole time. Conclusion. To conclude, BLDC fans are smarter than traditional induction fans because their electronic control system enables practical energy-saving features. The auto step-down speed function not only enhances comfort but also reduces electricity bills. For households, this means better efficiency and savings of up to half the power consumption during overnight use.